What's going on, guys? Joe here from Apps That Rule, coming at you with a new video on 5 tips or tricks for your iPhone. Whether you're a longtime iPhone user such as myself, or you're just jumping over from Android, make sure you stick around until the complete end because you may not know about some of these tips or tricks. Now, starting off with number 1, it's shared albums. A lot of people are aware that you can create albums and share your photos and videos with friends and family. However, some don't realize that what you put in these albums do not count against your iCloud storage, nor do you need to share with anyone. Now stick around till the end of this video because I'll go a little more in depth, a little more insight for you at the end of this. Moving on to number 2, make any website a shortcut on your home screen. All you simply need to do for this one is go to Safari, type in whatever website you want to use. So in this case, I'm using the Xbox Cloud Gaming site. And then once you're at that site, you press the middle share button, swipe down until you see add to home screen, and boom, you have yourself a nice one-touch shortcut on your iPhone's home screen. Number 3, scan documents into PDF. You ever run into a jam where you need a scanner? You can easily scan any paper into a PDF and send it off. Simply open the Notes app on your phone, press the button in the bottom right for a new note. Then where you see the different icons, press the camera button, choose scan documents, lay out the form, and the phone will do the rest for you. Now moving on to number 4, flash for notifications. Well, do you tend to keep your phone on silent or do you just like to know when you get a notification on your phone? Like if you keep your phone upside down where the screen's not showing, kind of like the Android phones do. You go into settings, you swipe down to accessibility, then down to the audio visual setting, and it's grouped under the hearing section. Swipe down to the bottom where you will see LED flash for alerts and toggle that on. Now when you receive any notifications, alerts, phone calls, etc., your camera light will flash. Now moving on to number 5, child safety lock down for your iPhone. That's what I call it basically because I have 3 kids. Well, you can actually lock your phone down by going to your settings, then accessibility, then swipe down to the bottom, select guided access. You toggle this on. Now go into a game or app, then triple press the lock button on the side. You will see a menu pop up, press guided access, then start in the top right. When you want your phone back and you want to unlock it, just triple press the lock button again, press the guided access, and you will be prompted to enter the passcode you created, then press end in the top left of the screen. Now, as I said earlier in this video, I was going to give more insight on the shared albums tip, number 1. What you could do is actually watch this video right here where I have a much more detail. Hit that subscribe button as well if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.